Okay. Holy crap.
Go forward. Very soon.
Yeah, let's go now. Go now.
Yeah, that's getting organized fast. Look at that rising scud.
Good Lord.
So, I definitely did rotation in this little high arch here.
Yep. Oh yeah, for sure.
Get up to the next road and find a spot.
Rotation's increasing a lot. I need to go on the highway for this. I do not want to go through Pontiac.
Okay.
Shoot.
Well, just go.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the exit, and because I feel like if I go north, I'm putting myself in a really bad spot. So I just want to wait at the exit and wait for it to pass, and then follow it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So try to predict the ground path of this rotation, so you can decide where to go once you cross the highway.
Yeah.
Pull in here.
Yep. I'm gonna point at it.
Yeah.
Good God, this is increasing so fast.
Take a break and look at your navi.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, we're on the west side of Pontiac, Illinois. Got a storm coming down rapidly.
You guys seen anything interesting?
Yeah, this one's about to go.
Really?
Yeah.
This is strong rotation and a wall cloud. This could plant a tornado pretty much any time. But you want to stay south
Yeah.
first or west of this as this structure moves that way. Yeah, see this wall, this whole lowering is turning nicely.
Yep. Oh my Lord. Guys, this is...
All right, I think it's time to go.
Yep. This is about to plant here.
Let's go.
It's about to plant. Come on, get in the car.
Be safe.
Get the hell out of here.
Let's go. It's looking damn good. Tongue lag is thick. This thing tracking a little east of north.
East, yes. What? Good Lord.
All right, you're good. Go, go, go. Go, go,
I'm
go,
no,
go.
I'm just...
You're good.
Get down.
Window down.
Yep. I'm gonna pull off at this overpass, okay?
Perfect.
Good Lord. Strongly rotating wall cloud going into Pontiac, Illinois right now.
How are you gonna get to town again?
Give me one sec.
Thing is ready to plant.
Yep. Okay, we're going to Deerfield Road, north and then around town, kinda.
Go for it. Go.
Nope, hold on.
Focus on driving, buddy.
Yep, I know.
I will film. I've got a good stream going.
Yep, let me know if you see any subs.
You have to get closer to get subs though.
Turning north here.
Okay.
This should take us around town. God, look at that vault.
I know. I got it all.
Radar looks freaking amazing right now.
I hear sirens.
Good. Come on, Illinois red light. Come on, red light. Okay. Come on, yes. Be careful with the bag.
Yeah, good.
You're stepping on this. You're stepping on it.
Put the back window up.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Livingston County in Central.
We're getting relatively close to it. I'm gonna just be careful up here, okay?
Yep.
But we're on the back side. No stop sign, clear, we're going. God, it's so, like, elongatedly perfect.
Get a little disorganized.
Velocity is rapidly increasing.
But
Good Lord, this is like so many significant tornadoes now. Radar images I've seen.
so really rapidly rising scud over here.
Yep. Okay, give me. I need to see where I'm going.
Yeah, make sure you nav okay.
Okay. And there. Okay, so we're going north on south and then left. South and then north.
Yeah.
Okay, tornado warning. Tornado warning, this is about to drop.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for County in central Illinois until 5:30 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a
Very clear.
tornado was
Get to that
located
light.
near Pontiac, moving at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado.
Damn it.
Sign hail.
Where are we headed here so I can position?
North. We're going north on this northeast road.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and
Go,
vehicles will occur.
go.
Tree damage is
Go,
likely.
people, go.
This dangerous storm will be near until around 4:55 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the
There we go.
of a sturdy building.
All right.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors
Oh yeah, that's about to come down.
or in a vehicle, move to the closest
Right in front of us. Got you. Good.
Get around the bend.
No, I'm not going any further.
Get in front of this red truck.
Right there. Debris, debris.
Yep. Got it. Yep. Tornado on the ground.
Calling Chicago.
Can I get out and film?
Yeah, sure. Watch yourself. Oh, they're busy. Okay. Uncondensed tornado on the ground northeast of Pontiac, Illinois, right now. Massive rotating vault right in front of me. It just touched down. Uncondensed as of now.
Let's go forward.
Yep, go. Get in the car.
I've got eyes on the ground circulation. Crossing the road.
Yep.
Watch your traffic. I'll film.
Yep. Number 13.
Find your debris.
Yep. I can't go any east. I need to go up a little closer.
Yep. Let him go.
Good God, this is so visible. Is it down still?
I won't be able to tell for a sec.
Tornado in progress north of Pontiac, Illinois.
I'm zoomed all the way out.
Nice. We're a little close.
Is this thing gonna be a recycle?
Maybe. Jesus, I don't like this. Pulling over.
Yeah.
In the RFD.
Do not go in there.
Yep.
Wipers.
Thank you.
This is way cool. Look at that. I could jump over that fence.
Yeah.
That would be bad. I think you can go a little bit. What do you got for an east road?
Stand by.
Oh, come on, look at this thing.
That's probably the recycle. Okay, I got one in a little bit, but I'm a bit hesitant to get that close.
Just go slow. Give traffic some room here.
We're good here.
What is this thing? I think stationary almost.
Got a road in about a third of a mile.
Yeah,
I just want to hold off until we know it's clear, okay?
I can't see behind these trees at all. There's something down, I can't tell.
That's okay.
There you go. Thing's trying. Kind of washed out over here. The East Road look good up here?
Yeah.
I think that's the one then.
Yep, I agree. I don't think that caused much damage.
No. There's a little bit of dirt
Right here.
I didn't see any large debris. There we go.
I just got debris on that thing.
Okay. There we go. Nice. It's a new cut up there. New inflow
Yep,
cut.
I see that.
This thing's still just cranking over here. Go around him. Go around him. Now we're good. Lots of room.
I think we're chilling for a little bit. I'm gonna pull over up here.
I'm gonna pause it.
Got hail in the RFD. Just that one rolling across the road.
Watch your door getting out.
Yep, I'm not gonna get out.
We're gonna go back.
It's not. Yes, good idea. Just go around. It's fine. Just go around.
No, we're good. I'm not gonna step in here. Just the pop. Yeah, I think we can go forward. Nothing here.